Hello there. If you are spending a lot of time in documenting your data model, then this video is for you. Because after watching this video, you do documentation of your data model in just some minutes. With the help of some DAX function, you could achieve this code. Let's go on our screen and see how you could accomplish this code. So this is the report view, table view. In the table view, we have to go to table tools and we have to create a new table for achieving this goal. If you want to do documentation of measure, then you have to write different tags. And if you want to do documentation of entire your data model, then it have different tags function. Okay, I will show you. I will write here model measure equal to info.view. Now you have here 4 DAX function. With the help of these 4 DAX function, you could do the documentation of your entire data model. So if I go here, measure, and click here, and now you would see here all the DAX measure that you have created. And if you want to know this description is which description, then if you come to this model view and you click this one, this expense, and this is the description. Like I have here the description of revenue, and you would see in the model view, if I click revenue, this is the description. If you write here the description of income, then that would be displayed here. Like this, we will create another 3 table in the table tools, new table, and model columns, and Info.View columns. Hit enter. Then again, new table, model tables, not tables, model relationships. So we have here columns, measure, relationship, and now we have to create the table one. Model info. Okay, sorry. Model tables. Okay, so you have here model columns, measure, relationships, and tables, and these would help you in documenting your data model. You have here all the information. You do not need to write it manually. That's it in this video, and we will meet in next video with some new tips and tricks. Follow me for more. Thank you.